In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in ClickUp. We'll set up a simple, effective system you can use right away, keeping everything in one place without overcomplicating it. First, create a personal space so your life stuff is separate from work. In ClickUp, head to Spaces on the sidebar, click New Space, give it a clear name like Personal Life, and hit Create. Keeping a dedicated space helps you stay focused and reduces clutter from other projects. If you want, choose a color or icon that feels personal so it's easy to spot. Next, we'll set up lists for different areas of your life inside that personal life space. Click the plus button for a new list and create a few categories that make sense for you. Common examples include health, finance, tasks, and hobbies. Think of each list as a container for related tasks. Pick labels that match how you think and keep them broad enough to grow with you. Now, let's add tasks. Inside any list, click the plus button to create a task. Give it a clear, action-focused name, like pay electricity bill, book dentist appointment, or weekly meal prep. Add a due date so it appears on your calendar, and include tags when they'll help you filter later, such as errand, home, or quick. If helpful, use the task description to capture notes or links you'll need when you do the work. Keeping names short and specific makes it easier to scan your day. For items that have multiple steps, add subtasks using a checklist. Open a task, click Checklist, and add items. For example, if the task is morning routine, your checklist might include brush teeth, workout, and breakfast. Checklists are perfect for routines and step-by-step tasks because they give you momentum and a small win with every check. When you're ready to plan your week, switch to Calendar View to schedule tasks. Drag tasks onto specific dates and adjust timing as needed so your day feels realistic. If your schedule changes, it's easy to move things around. When you want a straightforward overview, use List View to see everything in one place. If you prefer a more visual workflow, switch to Board View and move tasks across statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Keeping statuses simple helps you focus on what matters today, and that's how you organize your personal life in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.